Solve the rational equation for x. In this equation, you can see expressions with x in both denominators. In order to solve the equation, you need to remove x from the denominators, combine all the x terms into a single term, and then solve for x. With this equation, you can see that these two terms have denominators with an expression of x. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by this expression x plus 2 and this expression x plus 1, like this. So on the left side, we multiply by x plus 1 and x plus 2. And we do the same on the right. X plus 1 and x plus 2. On the left side, these two terms cancel out, and so we're left with x times x plus 1, and then these expressions cancel out, and we're left with x plus 2. And on the right side, we have, using the FOIL method, we can expand this to get x squared, and then the outside terms plus 2x, and then the inside terms plus x, and then the last terms plus 2. Simplifying, we get x squared plus x plus x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. And then combining terms on this side, we get x squared plus 2x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x plus 2. When you have identical terms on opposite sides of the equation, you can just cancel them out. So the x squared terms drop, and then notice that the 2 is on each side, so we can cancel out the 2's, and what we're left with is 2x equals 3x. Subtract 3x from both sides, and we get negative x equals 0. Multiplying both sides by -1, we get x is equal to 0. You can test this value of x with the original equation to see if it is a solution.